Today we are playing Night Knocks, and I don't know too much about this. Haven't seen it being played, so I want to know what's knocking. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay. You've just moved into your new apartment, unpacking and settling in. There's a list of tasks to complete before the place truly feels like home. All right. Hold tab to check. Okay. Oh, you gotta hold it. Objective: collect chip bags, bottles, and soda cans and them throw them in the trash. Oh, in the trash can near the kitchen. That threw me off. To-do list: clean the house, place books, fix the light, do the laundry, prepare food, take a shower, and then sleep. All right, so we got to clean the house first. Chip bags, bottles, and soda can. Bottles. Bottles. Throw them. Okay, anyway. Okay, that's funny. Not too shabby. Oh, is that trash? Okay. Oh, oh. Why is this place such a mess? Where's the kitchen? Here we go. Where's the trash can? We gotta. Okay. What kind of demon are we? Why are we this dirty? I hope we're throwing it in the trash can for real. Oh, let me see if I'm making progress. Let me see. Okay, we are. Okay, it's working. I have to make sure. Can we jump? No. Okay, how many pieces we got left? Good. Like, we just ate them and just left all of it on the floor. Just dirty. Raunchy. Like, how you dirty and raunchy? What is this? Oh my god, it's squished. Lazy. There's trash in the bathroom? I say it shouldn't be that. What kind of open shower? Okay. Do we have dirty in here? Can we turn on the light? There's no light. Flashlight? Is there any trash? What do we do here? Oh, we're not on that yet. Oh, let me see if we got all the trash. Oh, I can't see. One more. Where? Oh, on the table. Oh, they're both right. I'm the idiot. It's me. I couldn't see them. Oh, who knocking? Where's my front door? Where is it? Hello? Hello? Is this the front door? Hello, friend. Hey there, new guy. Thought I'd come say hello. You just moved in, right? Yeah, I just got here yesterday. Trying to settle in. Yeah, what do you need? Oh, nothing urgent. Just being neighborly. I like to check in on new people. Why? So you can take me surfing? Or take my organs? What do you want? Why? Do new people usually have problems? Well, thanks. I'm a little busy right now. Yeah, I'm a little busy. Oh, sure, sure. Just thought I'd say hi before you know. Before what? I forget it. Nah, tell me. See you around. Dang, we can't leave? Maybe I should have been nicer. I think this has multiple endings. What's our next task? Place books. Unpack the boxes near the bookshelf and place the books on the shelf. Okay. Gotta rotate it too? Hold up. Oh, 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 oh no. Oh, oh no. Oh, oh, okay, it got that way. Okay, we did it. Okay. Rotating. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. Why have we got to? Okay, so can I just? Yeah. Okay, we can do that. Here, just here. Okay. There's so many books. Come on. And okay, we do it. No, we didn't. Oh, I'm stupid. There we go. Oh, I'm dumb. Okay, it's me. It's been me the whole time. Okay. Okay. I need. Yep. Here we go. Mm-hmm. It's me. Oh my god. Who else is knocking at my door? Yo, tell me what you were gonna say. What you were gonna say. What you were gonna say earlier. Quick question: have you ever counted the doors in your apartment? No. Yeah, that's a weird question, but we're gonna ask him why would I? Oh, no reason. Just sometimes people forget how many there are. Unless my apartment is shifting around, I'm good. What are you trying to say? Nothing, nothing. Just if you ever feel like something's off, don't ignore it. Yeah, you're being really vague. Just say what you mean. I can't, not yet. Okay, get out my face. Up. Okay. Well, you know, me. Anyway, fix the light. What light? Is it in here? Cause this one ain't. This one's not working. Oh yeah. Oh. All right. She's on. She's working. Okay. Did that. Do the laundry. Okay. Cool. Cool beans. Oh. Yo. Come on. Yo. What is going on? Do you ever dream of yourself, but it's not really you? Yeah, what's your deal? No deal, just curiosity. Have you ever felt like you weren't you? No, because that's insane. Are you high or something? Look, whatever weird thing you're into, keep me out of it. Yeah, are you high? High? No, just more aware than most people. Well, go be aware somewhere else. Oh, I will. Just making sure you stay aware too. Oh! Oh, I'm aware. I'm aware. What do we do? Do we do we move? Do we give it cake? Does it like cake? Or does it want me? Is stretching for me. Um, Did I just turn back around? Um, uh, uh-huh. Can we walk backwards? No? Um, like, can we like oh oh I guess it disappeared. Okay. We're still doing the laundry. Yeah, okay. Oh, there you go. Prepare food. Okay. Oh man. Food. Food. What do what are we making? Alright, let's put it in here. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, do we cook it? What do we do? Oh, meat. Hey, okay. Hold up. Okay. Wait. You go there. You go there. Meat. There we go. Oh boy. Yo, what? Hello? Who? Smells good in here. What are you cooking? He looked like look at his fingers. What is happening? Oh, nice. Can I have some? No. Just a little bit. I haven't eaten all day. You look like it. You look like you have and you haven't. Okay? All right. I'll just go grab something else then. Yeah. I think you should. Bye. I'm afraid to turn around. Okay. I thought he was going to be doing the Dougie at me. Okay. All right. Steak done. Now we put steak on plate. What about the tomato? We good on that? We good? Okay, I guess we're... Oh. Oh boy. Okay. Oh! Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh. Okay. Okay. Alright. Just gently. Gently, right? That's not what we do? That's... How? How is it doing that? Okay. What do we do? Okay. Do we eat it? What do we do? What else do we do? How do we chop these vegetables? Yeah. What do we do? Do I gotta wash it? You usually gotta wash your vegetables. You know, can we eat it? That's my thing. Can we eat it? Okay. Oh my god. Oh, there. Oh. Oh, we grab a knife. Oh, we grab. Oh. Okay. Yum. Yes. Yes. Okay. You crunching it like that. Ain't nothing on this plate crunchy like that. Where my phone at? Oh. Some meal, same meal, same routine. Does it feel off? Who is this? Someone who sees what you don't. See what? The loop you're trapped in. What loop? The one that always ends the same way. How does it end? You'll remember when it's too late. It's the vagueness. If okay, take a shower. Well, just taking a shower. Taking a shower. Hope no one, comes for my cheeks or anything or just off. We rinsed off. We haven't scrubbed. All right. Last thing is sleep. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? What was that? What was that? Did it disappear? What? I'm gonna shut the door. Oh, bitch. Oh, bitch. Bitch. I don't trust it. What's gonna happen? Yo, what's going on? Oh boy. Okay, we're sleeping. Sleeping. Oh. 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 Okay. We got a bad ending. You went straight to bed without checking your house, and your neighbor attacked you in your sleep. It was too late to realize you. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. So we got a bad ending. Hmm. I might go through this again and see what I missed, actually. Okay. Oh, it started me from. Okay. Door is wide open. I'm trying to look and see if it's different. I don't know. Painting? Oh! Oh! I got another bad ending. Okay. You caught the neighbor, but without a weapon or something. Okay. Okay. This time, I'm gonna grab the knife. And since I can wield the knife, I can go in the bathroom and I can get... Okay. I'm gonna see if that's gonna give us a good ending. Okay. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's see. Nah, buddy. I got a weapon. Let me rotate it. Hold. Damn it. Gimme. Okay. Me checking here in my bathroom. You checked the house before sleeping and found your neighbor hiding in the bathroom. You quickly stabbed him, killing him instantly and saving yourself. Hey, so we got the good ending. Oh, there were all three. We got all three endings. 2 bads and a good. Yay. And that was Night Knock. You can find this at itch.io, and I will see you in the next one.